2001, please. Together.
O glorious golden flame of illumination from the heart of the great central sun, in the name of my beloved I am presence and holding Christ's self, blaze forth now from the heart of beloved Alpha and Omega, from the heart of beloved Helios and Vesta, and from the heart of beloved God and Goddess Meru, into our individual hearts and minds, flooding them with the precious oil of illumination, poured out in limitless radiance into our chaliced attention. Beloved mighty God, presence I am in me and in the heart of the great central sun, beloved Alpha and Omega, beloved Helios and Vesta, beloved great central sun messengers, all cosmic beings, powers, and legions of light, beloved Lord, Gautama, beloved Linalo, the entire spirit of the great white brother in the world, Mother, elemental light, fire, air, water, and earth. Come, come, come now in the fullness of thy power, and direct thy precious light rays of divine illumination from the spiritual sun into our beings and worlds, flooding all with the golden flame of Christ's illumination, understanding, perception, and peace from the heart of God's own omniscience. Come, 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 with divine illumination, pray. Come, 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 with divine will pray. Come, 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 with ways of peace. Come, 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 thy will of illumination. Come, 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 with divine illumination, pray. Come, 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 with divine will pray. Come, 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 with golden ways of peace. Come, 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 thy will of illumination. Come, 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 with divine illumination, pray. Come, 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 with divine will pray.
Come, 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 and golden ways of peace. Come, 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 the wisdom flame release. Come, come, accepting and absorbing the flame of cosmic illumination of the very living presence of the God and God Miseru in the temple of illumination. I am receiving, accepting, and absorbing the flame of cosmic illumination for the very living presence of the God and Goddess Miseru in the temple of illumination. I am receiving, accepting, and absorbing the flame of cosmic illumination for the very living presence of the God and Goddess Miseru in the temple of illumination. I am receiving, accepting, and absorbing the flame of cosmic illumination from the very living presence of the God and Goddess Meru in the temple of illumination. I am receiving, accepting, and absorbing the flame of cosmic illumination from the very living presence of the God and Goddess Meru in the temple of illumination. I am receiving, accepting, and absorbing the flame of cosmic illumination from the very living presence of the God and Goddess Meru in the temple of illumination. I am receiving, accepting, and absorbing the flame of cosmic illumination from the very living presence of the God and Goddess Meru in the temple of illumination. O flame of light, bright and golden flame, must understood, behold, I am in every brain cell shining, I am my wisdom all divining, ceaseless flowing, found of illumination, flaming, I am illumination. O flame of light, bright and golden flame, must understood, behold, I am in every brain cell shining, I am my wisdom all divining, ceaseless flowing, found of illumination, flaming, I am illumination. O flame of light, bright and golden flame, must understood, behold, I am in every brain cell shining, I am my wisdom all divining, ceaseless flowing, found of illumination, flaming, I am illumination. And in full faith I cannot accept this manifest. And in full faith I cannot accept this manifest. Cannot accept this manifest. Right here and now with full power, eternally sustained, all powerfully active, ever expanding the world, unfolding to all the odious and enlightened faith. Beloved I am, beloved I am, beloved I